All right, so right before I go and help you find these people on Facebook, what we need to do is talk about one more thing, which is very, very key about your target audience. Now you know that you're not targeting everybody. Now you know that you're targeting people just like you, okay? But I want you to focus on this right here, emotions, okay? Facebook, it's an emotional platform. I want you to think about emotions. Don't think about your company. Don't think, and I know I've said this before, okay, but I need to say it this time, one more time, and I'm gonna repeat it so many different times because everybody's making this one mistake. Everybody's talking about their company, their products, and their pay system, their commission, the commission platform, and so on and so on, right? You don't need to talk about that, right? You need to talk about the emotions, okay? So look at yourself and ask yourself, what are my frustrations, okay? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to think of these three questions right here. What are they? In this case, they is the same thing as you because these people are just like you. What are you frustrated about? And also, what are they or you, what are you angry at, okay? And what is their or your ultimate dream? Okay, I want you to really think, dive deep into this right here. Go very detailed. Go very, very detailed. In my case, right? In my case, for me and my people was, we want the American dream. We came from nowhere. We come from poverty, and we come from a very, very, very low place of poverty. I guess that's really the word, poverty. And we wanted the American dream. That's exactly what we wanted. That was the ultimate goal. That was the dream, okay? And the racism, the frustration part was the racism and all these things, and we're angry at all these people and so on and so on, And we want to show them, we want to prove them wrong. We want to prove them that we are people. We can really make things happen as well. Right? So I started talking about this in the ads. I started tapping into the emotions. So your emotions are going to be different than mine. Okay, so I really want you to ask you these three questions. Ask yourself these three questions. What are they or you? What are you frustrated about? Who are you or what or who, right? Who are you angry at? And also, what is your ultimate dream? Okay, because we need to tap into this right here, right? And we need to say, are you frustrated? Are you sick and tired of this? Then this is the solution right here. Okay, we're going to show you how you can do this or whatever, right? Here's where we give in the value, okay? So this is going to be very key for the next module where we're going to be talking about the perfect Facebook ad. In the perfect Facebook ad, we're going to be talking about the emotions. That's what we're going to be doing. So before we get there, it's important that you understand who your target audience is and what their emotions are so that by the time that we get to module 4, you know exactly what to write about. Okay, so make sure that you get this right. Emotion is key. What is the ultimate dream? What is the goal? In my case, is financial freedom, right? Is the American dream. That's really what it is. Okay, so be as specific as possible because the American dream for many people means different things. For me, it means financial freedom. For me, it meant I wanted to pay my parent mortgage, and I wanted to buy this specific car, and I wanted this, right? Very, very detailed, specific things. Okay, so with that in mind, once again, take note on this, and then start answering these questions to yourself. Okay, because we're gonna use the answers to these questions when. On module 4 when we create the perfect Facebook ad. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and get to the next lesson and let's go ahead and find these people on Facebook. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson.